Yeah, thank you, madam.
Yes, yes, sir. You can take over the session, sir.
Okay, madam. Yeah, good morning to the dignitaries and Professor Usha Iswaran, madam, and other faculty, management of our college, and the students. Yeah, good morning to one and all. See, first, let me thanks to the madam. Why? Because madam given a great opportunity. See, this workshop title is entrepreneurship skills, attitude, and behavior development. So this is the topic. It is the right topic for the young students to become entrepreneurs. So let me use a minute to share the PPT and I will start the session. Yeah, madam, I shared PPT. Is it visible? Madam?
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Just trying to put it on.
Hello?
Yes, sir, you can continue, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir, you can continue, sir.
PPT is visible, madam?
It is coming in one corner.
And after completion of this, you can also learn about the entrepreneurship skills, attitudes, and entrepreneurship behavior development. Okay? So let us start with entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is a person who has taken or who is taking a risk and earning profits from the business or by doing some kind of. So that is the meaning of entrepreneur. So there are so many things that person should have ability to innovate something, to generate an idea, or to find out a right solution for a particular problem, risk taker, right, and profit earner, like that. Okay. Then let us know the meaning of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a process. What kind of process? Convert an idea into a business. That means to start the business and do some kind of economic activities and earning some money. Okay, so entrepreneurship is a process. Who can do this? Entrepreneur can do this kind of thing. Then, what is the outcome of the entrepreneur and the entrepreneurship? The entrepreneur generate an idea and start the business, then ultimately he can start an enterprise. So that is the outcome. So entrepreneur is a person who start the business. He is the man. Let us know the entrepreneurship development. Entrepreneurship development means enhancing the entrepreneurial knowledge and skills via structured training programs. See, now you are the students. Now I am sharing some kind of knowledge to you. After listening the skills, understanding, then automatically you have some kind of knowledge about entrepreneurship, skills, attitudes, and behavior. So why? In this program, you learn that, then automatically you understand such kind of thing. Right? So meanwhile, entrepreneurship development means it enhances the entrepreneurial knowledge and skills via a structured training programs. Right? Then let us know the entrepreneurial skills, entrepreneurship attitude, and entrepreneurship behavior develop. Okay? So, so I already said, it enhances the entrepreneurial knowledge, reading, listening, observing a particular business enterprise at a particular place, how an entrepreneur interacting, communicating, doing the business in a proper manner, we can also understand. Then automatically what it says, it gets enhancing the entrepreneurial knowledge, right? Skills, or we can also change our behavior by seeing such kind of eminent personal entrepreneurs. Okay? Then let us know the entrepreneurship skills. Entrepreneurship should have leadership. See here, entrepreneurship means this is the process can be done by an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur should have a leadership quality, leadership skill. That means an entrepreneur should lead the enterprise, motivate the employees, laborers. See, okay, just okay, take an example to understand the leadership. There are 100 employees in an enterprise. We have to lead them, the employees, to complete a particular task. Among them, all are not doing well, right? So the some of the employees may deviate the task. Then automatically we have to educate them, monitor them, guide them. Then automatically they can also involve and do such kind of things in a smooth manner. So that means what? We have to lead, we should have a leadership qualities to maintain such kind of a thing. Right? Then second thing is creativity. An entrepreneur should have a creativity. Why? Because all customers are not additive for a particular product. Why? Because human wants are changing from time to time. Based on the requirements of the customer, we have to create or re-engineer the existing product or innovate a new product. Then we have to supply the same. That should be made to the customers. So, based on the requirement of the customer, we have to create such kind of things. Right? So, creativity also a part of entrepreneurship skill. Then business management skills. Business means it may be a manufacturing one, it may be a trading one, it may be a service oriented one. We have to manage such kind of businesses, right? For that what we need? We need some kind of skills to manage the business. In what way? Or the giving directions to the employees in a proper manner. Achieve the mission and vision of the business. Right? Then, suppose it is a manufacturing one. What kind of a plant we have to purchase and establish? Then we should also have the plant layout, and we have to know where we have to buy the raw materials and how we can transport from that place to the manufacturing unit, how we can process it, that is in production department, how we can store such kind of products, that is finished products in a godown, then how we can transport the finished goods into marketed place. See what kind of process is there to manage the business. For all such kind of things, we should have the skills, that is business management skills.